We just encountered so many freaking whales. It's been crazy.
Made sail dip. Well, this is not going as planned. Okay, so we made it back to Puerto Rico yesterday, and now tonight we are leaving for the Dominican Republic, which is about a 2.5 day sail, and that is the longest sail we've ever done. So we're a little bit nervous, but we're also excited. So we spent the day today filling up the boat with water, with gas, checking out of the country, and now we are meal prepping for 2.5 days worth of food, so we don't have to cook under sail, hopefully. But we are planning on leaving about midnight tonight. It's about 6 o'clock right now, so maybe we'll get a little nap in if we're lucky. Wish us luck. Okay, so since I'm kind of a baby when it comes to cooking under passages, we have decided to do our whole 2 days worth of food and cook them now, put them in Tupperware, and we can just heat them up, which will be simple. So I did this day provisioning for our sail, and 2.5 days isn't that long to a lot of sailors, but to us it's a big deal. So I'm in here cooking up some meat and pasta. Travis is up there grilling some chicken, and we should be good to go for tonight. Meal prep for sailing, done. Popcorn for tonight, check. You ready for our sail?
I think so. As long as the Mona Passage doesn't treat us negatively, rudely, I think we'll be good. It's the only thing we really got to worry about.
What's the Mona Passage?
So it's the split between Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, and it's just a really deep trench that causes some pretty big seas. But we should be good. We have light seas and light winds going through there, so wish us luck.
Good morning.
Good morning. Just barely. It's 1:06 a.m. This is the earliest departure yet. Alright, so we have 240 miles. We're right here in Culebra. We're going to go over the north side of Puerto Rico. Hopefully the Mona Passage doesn't treat us too poorly. And our destination is here, Sommer, Dominican Republic. It says estimated at a day and 16 hours. So, it's going to be quite interesting.
Good morning again.
Good morning, number 2.
So it's now, what's that? 6:30. We left about 1:30 this morning. And how's our sail been so far?
Made decent progress. We're already passing Puerto Rico, so hopefully we can keep it up. Hopefully we don't hit the Mona Trench at night, and hopefully we don't have to anchor at night, but it's looking like we're probably going to hit them both at night, so it's not going to be fun. Keep it posted.
I was able to sleep for a couple hours, which was nice. Travis was out here, able to get the hydro vane working a little bit. Strapped in like a good boy. First on the menu is breakfast tacos. Ready to eat? Well, this is not going as planned. We were thinking, worst case, we would average about 4 knots and get there in about 2.5 days. And then we were thinking we'd probably average about 6 knots and get there in about a day and a half. And sometimes we average 8 knots, so then we were hoping maybe we'd get there even in a day. And now we're averaging about 2 to 3 knots. So we're probably gonna be here for about 3 days.
I'm so bored out here. I'm shaving because I got nothing better to do.
Oh my gosh. Just don't shave the mustache.
I won't.
Oh, look at that. Undersail boat shave. Nice.
Left the mustache just for you.
Well, I want the whole beard thing, just not only the mustache.
I left it.
Yeah, and you left this, so good job.
Weirdo.
Okay, so for dinner, we've got some meat that we cooked up last night and some peppers and onions. And then I threw in some refried beans in there. And I'm heating up some corn. It's not very rolly. The seas are pretty calm. So I feel good about cooking. Otherwise, that's why we pre-made a bunch of food. So if worst case scenario, we could just eat it cold and be fine. But we've got our little stove here that's sitting on a gimbal. So for those of you that are not sailors and never seen this before, I had never either until I lived on a sailboat. So this kind of moves up and down to account for the wave action so that I can cook without any problems. Pretty cool.
There's no such thing as a green flash. I've watched so many sunsets in my life.
I know there's not. I'm a scientist. What are you doing down there?
Making Megan her nightly popcorn even when we're on our way.
Woo! Best boyfriend award!
Never get a break.
We're gonna have a movie night under sail, under a starry sky. Ooh. Movie night on the deck. Oh, watching Inception. That's a good scene. Switch it to.
Sado knows. He's playing with us.
So, day 2 at sea. How's
Getting
it going?
tired.
Yeah.
We both slept a fair amount last night, so off and on, so that was good.
By a fair amount, you mean between 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah, better than the night before though. We're starting to pick up a little bit of speed. We're doing like 4.5 knots now. We're trying to fly a little wing on wing, but the wind's kind of coming from a funny angle and we don't have a spin pull, so doing what we can out here.
How fast were we going last night?
1.5 for hours, then we finally fired up the engine. We're doing 4.5 for 4 hours with the engine. Got sick of that. Now we're doing about 4.5 without the engine, so.
It's been a long night.
Yeah, that was a long night. And didn't make it very far.
No.
Nothing but a troublemaker, never up to no good. You were the perfect all-American girl, wouldn't touch me even if you could. But you were sneaking out your window every night, riding shotgun in my car. Go to the river and find her. Alright, it's 4:30 p.m. on Sunday. Our second day out here. If we could have made good speed, we could have been in the Dominican Republic right now. But we didn't. And there is nobody nor anything out here. Horizon is bare. No boats, no land, nothing. Just us and the beautiful blue waters. So Megan has made herself a lazy boy.
Welcome to my humble abode.
With all of our couch cushions. Look at this thing.
It's a bed.
Pretty freaking fancy. Oh my gosh. Ah, you cheater. That's how you cheat. Camera caught you too. So day 2 was not much better than night 1. We have totaled 131 miles. We still have 96 to go. Currently doing 2.9 knots. Not making very much progress out here.
How Travis feels about day 3 of being at sea.
It wouldn't be bad if we had wind.
Hold on. What?
It wouldn't be bad if we had wind. We have no wind. So we have to motor. We've been motoring for like 2 hours now and we still have like 4 hours left. We're hoping the wind picks up, but it's not looking promising.
It is just hot. It's so hot out here, there's no wind at all. What you doing over there?
About to take a dip because it's so hot. But the boat's still moving, so hopefully I don't fall off the ladder.
We're only going about 3.5 knots. Just hold on tight.
Brr! The water seriously feels like it's 50 degrees colder. Chilly.
Feel good?
Feels good.
Mid-sail dip.
Huh?
Mid-sail dip.
Yeah.
What just happened?
We just encountered so many freaking whales. It's been crazy. There was one just right off starboard side of the boat, maybe 25 meters out. There's one right there, just jumped. And they are all over. A bunch of humpback whales out here in this bay. It's so freaking cool.
That one was so close.
It was right there.
Awesome.
It was right there.
We literally could have jumped him.
Yeah.
Hello, Dominican Republic. I thought we'd never make it. That was the longest 3 days of my life. But look at this view.
It wasn't that bad.
Land! Oh, land, I've missed you. Ready to eat?
Can't wait.
Beanie on and no shirt on.
Look at that sailing outfit. We've made it!
Kind of. We're getting closer.
Nice.
What do you want me to say? That boat's crazy too.
You're live.
I don't know what you want me to say.